Kia ora. Today we are going to run through a sound pack and I'm going to be giving you the correct sounds to be using within your sound pack. As you can tell from my accent, we will be going through the New Zealand sounds in the sound pack. As much as possible, I might stop before we get to a particular group of sounds just to let you know a little about those sounds and how we may teach them. So we'll start with the vowels. Vowels have got two sounds, their long sound and their short sound. We would learn these sounds as A, E, I, O, and U, A. Our next sounds are our consonants. B, K, D, F, G, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y. Y can have two sounds, or three sounds, sorry. Y can be the consonant sound, which is Y, and it can also represent vowel sounds. Y can also represent I and E. If I was teaching these, I would be teaching them as Y, I, E. Z. The next sounds I'm going to show you are digraph sounds. Digraphs are two letters that represent one sound. Sh, ch, th. Two sounds for this digraph. W, qu, f, ng. The next group of sounds are silent E. The E on the end tells the reader that the vowel is saying its long sound. We would read these as A, E, I, O, and U. The next group of sounds are what we may call longer spellings. They are a longer spelling for a sound. These spellings and these sounds are found straight after a short vowel. This is K, Ch, J. The next group of sounds that we're going to look at are soft C and soft G, and then the corresponding hard C and hard G sounds. So we have S, 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 J, 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 K, 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 G, 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 G. The next group of sounds that we're going to move into are our longer spellings of vowel sounds. A, E. This particular sound here this particular spelling can represent three sounds, E, and A. I, O, U and U, U and U. This next particular group of cards are called diphthongs. We have two sounds that come together to represent a new sound, and it's not a vowel sound. U, oi, oi, or, ow, and ow. My next group of cards that I'm going to show you are what we call R-controlled sounds. That is when the R sits behind the vowel and it changes the way the vowel sounds. R, or, and My next group of sounds are a little bit different and we'll just move through each one. This is consonant LE sound, ul. It is found on the end of a word. These are some more R-controlled sounds. Air, 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 and air. And some more R-controlled sounds. Or, or. And we have some uncommon spellings of sounds. This is E and E, O. And we have some word endings that we're going to work through, just a couple here, and they are some quite common suffixes. Shin, shin, and of course the three sounds of ED, id, t, and d. And that is your New Zealand sound pack going through sound by sound.